Okay, simple, real easy to make barn style shed trusses or rafters. It's actually kind of interesting that all you have to do is make all the angles 22.5 degrees. Take your building width times 38%. So I'm making a 5-foot wide building times the 38%. The long side of the 2x4, you know, the top side, the longer side, that would be, calculates out to 22.8 inches. And I kind of like that because that would make just about right for a piece of plywood, you know, a little less than 24 inches. And, you know, then again for the next piece, 24 inches. So very little waste of the plywood. And maybe I'd even do the lower side a little bit to have a bit of a overhang. So I think that would come out just perfect, you know, without wasting a lot of plywood. And then the gussets, I made my gussets maybe a little small, but I'm only going 5 feet wide, so there's not going to be a whole lot of load on the roof anyway, I don't think. But when you do the gussets, make sure you use some wood glue, and you're supposed to do 5 screws on each side. This one will go up against the wall, that's why it's not on that side, but at least you can see, you know, the angles, well, even on the ends. Oh, some of these are painted too. I cut up a pair of sawhorses I had, so, you know, I only needed less than 24 inches for pieces, so I just used what I had. So that was part of the 5-foot wide too, and I guess why I'm going the 5-foot wide and to use what I have and to keep the cost down. I hope this helps everybody or somebody. That's it.